If someone treats you like a mere option, it's time to transform yourself into the ultimate choice. Have you ever experienced the heartache of being ignored, despite pouring your love and devotion into someone? They belittle you, making it seem as though your feelings and emotions hold no significance to them. They disregard your presence, making you feel inconsequential. While you love them wholeheartedly, they fail to prioritize you in their life. But what if I told you that you could reverse this dynamic, making them mentally compelled to place you at the forefront of their life? In this video, I'll unveil 10 rules that will turn you into a magnetic personality, someone whom everyone yearns to have in their life. Rule 1. Create the fear of losing you. People often take for granted something readily available to them, even if it holds great value. However, when the possibility of losing it arises, they suddenly start caring. Imagine becoming the person they can't fathom living without. Your absence would leave an irreplaceable void. You're not just an option, you're their ultimate necessity. How can you make this happen? It's a simple yet powerful concept. You need to demonstrate that your world doesn't revolve solely around them. You're fiercely independent, self-assured, and complete on your own. Your life is an exciting, vibrant adventure, even without them. Confidence and self-sufficiency possess magnetic qualities. They desire to be a part of your life because they understand that it's a privilege, not a given right. You bring unmatched value to their existence, and they can't get enough of it. When they realize you're not just another individual seeking their attention, but an indomitable force that they can't forget, that's when they'll elevate their efforts. You're not here to chase love or beg for morsels of attention. You're here to make them chase you. They'll yearn for your attention and presence, and they'll vie for your valuable time. Remember, you're not just a participant in this game. You're the champion they can't bear to lose. Rule number 2. Don't make yourself constantly available. The most valuable things in the world aren't found everywhere, all the time. You shouldn't be at anyone's beck and call incessantly. Your time holds value, and you mustn't be available at their every whim. Your life should take precedence. Imagine this. You're not perpetually waiting around. Your life doesn't solely revolve around them. You have your own world to relish, and they are fortunate to be a part of it. Here's how you can achieve this balance. Don't be the one who's always eagerly awaiting their message or at their disposal every minute. Make them realize that your time and attention are precious. People are inherently drawn to those who have their own interests and plans. When they understand that you're not just idling away, it piques their curiosity. You leave them wondering about your activities and create a sense of longing. Their respect for you deepens when they recognize that you have your own life and matters of significance. Being perpetually available signals to them that they can have you whenever they please. But you're not just anyone. You're someone they need to make an effort for. This isn't about playing hard to get. It's about demonstrating that you have a life to enjoy, with or without them. If you're not constantly at their disposal, they will offer you quality time and appreciate your value. So, refrain from always being available. Rule number 3. Maintain an air of mystery. People are naturally drawn to the enigmatic and attracted to the unknown. By becoming a mysterious figure, you'll pique their interest, making them eager to unravel the depths of your character. Imagine this. You're like a captivating book with a few chapters shrouded in secrecy. They're anxious to flip through every page and uncover the unique story you hold within. Here's how you can achieve this. Refrain from revealing your entire life history in the very first conversation. Share bits and pieces gradually, unveiling your layers over time. Let them speculate about your thoughts, dreams, and experiences. This air of mystery sparks curiosity and attraction. When they can't anticipate your every move, they become more engrossed in getting to know you, much like a puzzle they're eager to solve. Remember, you're not here to be an open book with every detail laid bare. You're a multifaceted, intriguing individual with depths waiting to be explored. By maintaining an element of mystery, you'll leave them yearning for more of your presence in their life. Rule number 4. Be of value and allow them to invest in you. This rule centers around taking control of the situation and highlighting your true worth. Envision yourself as the priceless gem they aspire to possess, and they're willing to make efforts to include you in their life. You're not just a passing fancy. You represent a meaningful commitment. People tend to value what they've invested in, emotionally and through their time. This investment creates stronger bonds, making them see you as someone truly exceptional. They won't take you for granted. Remember, you're not here to plead for their attention or affection. Your purpose is to demonstrate that you're a valuable addition to their life, and they must earn the privilege of having you around. Give them the space to invest their time, emotions, and energy to win you over. It's time for you to be the one they can't resist investing in, because your presence is an asset they can't afford to lose. Rule number 5. Prioritize your own needs first. This rule emphasizes the importance of making sure that your needs and well-being are at the forefront, especially in any kind of relationship. It's essential to stand up for yourself and avoid putting yourself in a position where you're undervalued or treated in a way that doesn't align with your self-worth. Picture this scenario. You're acutely aware of your own value, and you steadfastly refuse to settle for anything less. You won't compromise your happiness or self-respect for someone who doesn't treat you with the care and consideration you deserve. To apply Rule 5, you prioritize your own needs and happiness. You recognize that a healthy relationship, whether it's romantic or platonic, is built on mutual respect and consideration. You won't accept anything less than that. Prioritizing your own needs isn't an act of selfishness. It's an act of self-respect. It's about safeguarding your dignity and emotional well-being. By doing so, you communicate a powerful message. You won't tolerate being treated as an afterthought or an option. Prioritizing your needs underscores the fact that you won't allow someone to disregard your feelings or undermine your self-worth. You stand as an equal partner in any relationship where your feelings and needs hold significant weight. Remember, you're not here to be a doormat or to seek validation from others. Your presence in any relationship is meant to be a part of healthy, respectful dynamics that rest on a foundation of self-respect. When you assert yourself and uphold your self-worth, you become an even more appealing and compelling presence in anyone's life. In essence, Rule 5 serves as a reminder that your well-being and self-respect are non-negotiable. Your own priorities and goals should take precedence as you stand up for your self-worth. Rule 6 encourages maintaining your independence and not making someone the sole focus of your existence. This approach creates a sense of allure and independence in your relationships. Imagine yourself as a shining star in the night sky, radiating your unique light and energy. You don't orbit around someone else. You have your orbit, your own life, and your individual interests. To apply Rule 6, avoid becoming overly focused on someone to the point where they become the center of your universe. You have your passions, dreams, and individuality, and you nurture these aspects of your life. This approach generates a sense of mystery and intrigue, making others wonder about your world and what makes you tick. They'll be more attracted to your independent spirit and the sense of adventure you bring to the relationship. Remember, you're not here to lose your identity in someone else. Instead, you're here to enhance each other's lives while preserving your individuality. By not making someone the center of your world, you become more captivating and irresistible. By leading a life beyond the relationship, you continue to grow, evolve, and bring a sense of excitement and independence to the connection. This rule serves as a reminder that you are a complete person on your own, and your presence in someone's life is a valuable addition, not a substitution for their happiness. So when the audience applies Rule 6, They are recognizing the importance of maintaining their individuality and not revolving their entire world around someone else. Rule 7 is about finding the right balance in your communication and not always being the one to initiate contact. It's a subtle but effective way to avoid being taken for granted in any relationship. Imagine yourself as the lighthouse, not the ship constantly seeking the light. You radiate your presence, but you also give others the opportunity to come to you. To apply Rule 7, instead of always being the first to reach out, allow the other person to make the effort sometimes. This approach not only shows that you have your own life and interests, but also helps you gauge their level of interest. Being the sole initiator of communication can inadvertently send a message that you're always available and willing to bend over backward for them. It's not about playing games, but about maintaining a sense of balance in the relationship. By occasionally taking a step back and allowing them to come to you, you give them space to appreciate your presence and recognize your value. It's a gentle reminder that you're not just an option. You're someone who deserves effort and attention. Remember, you're not here to chase after love or friendship. You're here to create mutually respectful connections. By finding this balance in communication, you create an environment where both parties are equally invested in the relationship, fostering a healthier and more balanced connection. So, when the audience applies Rule 7, they are recognizing the importance of creating balanced and mutually respectful connections in their relationships. Rule 8 is about the idea that happiness starts from within you. It's all about being self-assured, content, and independent, which in turn makes you more attractive to others. Imagine yourself as the radiant sun, with your happiness not dependent on anyone else's presence or actions. You shine on your own, and people are drawn to your warmth and positivity. To apply Rule 8, you don't rely on someone else for your happiness. Instead, you create your own joy and contentment. This self-assuredness and independence are magnetic, making you more attractive to others. People are naturally drawn to those who exude positivity and self-confidence. When you're content with your life, you become a source of inspiration and light for others. By creating your own happiness, you communicate that you're not seeking fulfillment from others. You're a complete and joyful person on your own. This mindset is alluring because it doesn't burden others with the responsibility of making you happy. Remember, you're not here to find happiness in someone else. You're here to share your happiness and enrich each other's lives. By following Rule 8, you become an irresistible presence, radiating positivity and confidence that others can't help but be drawn to. So, when the audience applies Rule 8, they are embracing the power of self-assuredness and independence in fostering more attractive and meaningful relationships. Rule 9 is a potent reminder that you should always be ready to walk away from a relationship that doesn't truly value you. This rule sends a powerful message that you refuse to settle for less than you deserve and that your self-respect is unwavering. Imagine having the strength and self-worth to recognize when a relationship isn't mutually fulfilling. You're not desperate to cling to something that diminishes your happiness and self-esteem. To apply Rule 9, you set clear boundaries and standards for how you expect to be treated in any relationship. If someone consistently falls short of meeting those standards, you're willing to walk away. No matter how intense your feelings may be, walking away isn't about being heartless. It's about self-preservation. It's a bold display of self-respect and a refusal to compromise your well-being for someone who doesn't genuinely value you. By being prepared to walk away, you also create an environment where the other person might realize the gravity of the situation. They will understand that they need to step up and prioritize you if they want to keep you in their life. Remember, you're not here to cling to relationships that don't serve your happiness and self-worth. You're here to cultivate healthy, mutually respectful connections, and sometimes that means being strong enough to let go when it's necessary. In essence, Rule 9 is a reminder that your value and self-respect are paramount. and you have the power to choose who you allow into your life based on how they prioritize and value you. So, when the audience applies Rule 9, they are embracing the importance of self-respect and maintaining boundaries in their relationships. Rule 10 underscores the importance of maintaining emotional balance when striving to be a priority in someone's life. It's about not allowing your emotions to overpower the situation and ensuring that your needs are acknowledged and given precedence. Imagine that you're the steady hand on the compass, navigating your emotions with grace and self-assurance. Your emotional equilibrium makes it easier for others to recognize and prioritize your presence in their lives. Here's how Rule 10 operates. It encourages you to strike a balance between expressing your emotions and maintaining composure. While emotions are valid and essential, being excessively emotional can sometimes obscure your true value. By embracing emotional balance, you allow others to understand your feelings and needs without being overwhelmed. It's about conveying your emotions in a way that encourages prioritization without creating unnecessary drama. This mindset is attractive because it demonstrates your emotional intelligence and self-control, making it easier for others to recognize and prioritize your feelings and presence in their lives. Remember, you're not suppressing your emotions. You're merely expressing them in a way that promotes understanding and prioritization. By following Rule 10, you become more effective at communicating your emotions and needs, ultimately making it easier for others to prioritize you in their lives. In conclusion, these 10 rules provide invaluable insights on how to become an irresistible presence in someone's life, someone they can't help but prioritize. By creating a fear of losing you, not being always available, maintaining an air of mystery, allowing them to invest in you, prioritizing your own needs, not making them the center of your life, and finding the right balance in communication, you become a compelling force. You also learn to create your own happiness and maintain emotional balance, adding depth to your attractiveness. The reminder to be willing to walk away from relationships that don't value you reinforces the importance of self-respect. So remember, you're not just seeking attention, you're seeking healthy, balanced, and mutually respectful connections. By following these rules, you become a person of immense value, and others will naturally want to make you a priority in their lives. If someone treats you as an option, remember that you have the ultimate power to reclassify them as a choice. Your worth is non-negotiable, and you deserve to be with people who recognize and prioritize your value. We've now reached the end of the video, where we've delved into profound wisdom and insights. It's time to take responsibility and put these lessons into action. Take a moment to reflect and commit to these principles. Write down your promise in the comments section, both for yourself and to share with our community. Declare that you're a warrior in your own life, committed to being the best version of yourself. Let it be known that if someone treats you as an option, you have the strength to make them a choice, prioritizing your time and energy for those who bring happiness and uplift you on your journey. I'll read as many of your comments as I can and feature the most inspiring comments on our channel along with your name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more daily doses of unfiltered and uncensored wisdom. Join our community and embark on this transformative journey towards becoming a magnetic and prioritized presence in the lives of those around you.